Guys, who of you used to play in the sandbox? I think that everybody. But here I have sand that not everybody's seen before. This is kinetic sand. Except the sand itself, there is about 2% of silicone oils, due to which such sand does not stick to the hands, but it keeps the shape well. Here I have two packages of such colored kinetic sand, blue and green, and there are some shimmerings added. So let's unpack and take a closer look. Oh man, as usual, such sand is very pleasant for the hands. And just look how it keeps shape, as if it is wet. Let's make some figures just to show how easy it all happens. Really pleasant feeling, believe me. But now the question that interests everyone, is this sand burning? I'll try to set it on fire, but not just set it on fire, but with help of sparklers. Well, I mean whole bunch of sparklers. So let's go outside and do that. Just look at this. It seems burnt only paint. The sand became a normal color, nothing more. Okay, then let's try one more time. As you can see, nothing happened. The kinetic sand does not burn, only becomes covered with crust from the heat. How do you guys like kinetic sand? Had the chance to play with it? Be sure to tell me in comments. Looks like that's it. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.